This is one of the very important example for the students of 10th standard, and this will appear in your final exam of 2026. Example is, a dealer sells a toy for rupees 24 and gains as much percent as the cost price of the toy. Find the cost price of the toy. Now I will start here with find the cost price of the toy. Therefore, first we write here, let the cost price, let the cost price of the toy is equal to rupees X, because we don't know the cost price of the toy. So we write cost price of the toy is equal to rupees X. Then we have given here gain after selling this toy, then there is a gain, and that gain that is given here as much percent as the cost price, means cost price X. So X percent of the cost price means X upon 100 into X. Therefore, X into X square upon 100. This is the gain in rupees. Gain in rupees. Now we use formula for selling price. Selling price, and there is a gain, then selling price is equal to cost price plus gain. This is our formula for gain. Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain. Now a dealer sells a toy for rupees 24. So here selling price is 24. Therefore 24 is equal to cost price. Cost price we have taken here X plus gain. Gain is here X square upon 100. Now here denominator, and we cancel this denominator by multiplying both sides by 100. We multiply here both sides by 100. Therefore 24 into 100 means 2400 is equal to, we multiply to this X also by 100. Therefore 100 into X plus, when we multiply here X square upon 100 into 100, then 100 cancel. Therefore here left X square. Now we arrange this quadratic equation in standard form. So we take this 2400 to the right side. Therefore X square plus original here 100x means X square plus 100x, and we take this to the right side. So becomes minus 2400. Now here we split this minus 2400 like this. Look at this. 120 means 12. 12 twos are 24. This 0 and this 0. 2 zeros. Now here we want plus sign here, means plus 100x. So this sign always we put here to bigger number, and according to this sign we put here plus or minus, but here minus means plus into minus minus. 12 into 2 24 0 0 means 2400, and 120 minus 20 means 100. Now here, therefore, our next step, that is x square plus 120x, because we want 100x, minus 20x. We put, instead of plus 100x, we write there plus 120x minus 20x means 100x, minus originally 2400 is equal to 0. Now we take here common and here common. Therefore here x in bracket, here x common, x in bracket x plus 120. Here minus 20, and same bracket we write here x plus 120 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Now here look at this, here x common, so x in bracket x plus 120. X plus 120, same bracket we write here. When here x, then look at this, x inside, then what is left? Minus 20. Minus 20 common. Okay. Therefore, now here x plus 120, x plus 120 common, x plus 120 common, we take this common, then left x and minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, we write here x plus 120 is equal to 0, or x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 120. This is not applicable. This is not applicable because price, weight, then distance, those are not negative. Therefore, this is not applicable. Here we take minus 20 to the right side, then becomes plus. Therefore, x is equal to 20. This is applicable. This is our applicable answer or right answer. Therefore, we write here, therefore, the cost price of the toy is equal to x is equal to rupees 20. This is our final answer. Now look at this. This 20, this is the cost price, rupees 20, means 20 here, 20 here. Then here look at this, selling price is 24 and cost price 20. Then profit is or gain is, profit or gain, that is 4. 24 minus 20 means 4. Now 4 is the 20%. 4 is the 20% of this rupees 20. Rupees 20. 4 is the 20% of this cost price, rupees 20. That is here, as much percent as the cost price. Therefore, cost price is equal to x is equal to rupees 20.